All right, we are on our Wednesday math buffet. I went ahead and wrote all the correct answers for you. So if you got those right, you can go ahead with the exception of you need to box the composite. So put a box around the composite. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. So 5 and 31 are your prime numbers. I can easily see that 10 is not prime because it's even. 16 is not prime because it's even, it's composite. And 65 is not prime because it's a multiple of 5. And then when I do 5, only 5 and 1 can be multiplied together to equal 5. And same thing for 31. 31 times 1 is the only thing. All right, so 64 times 83, okay? So 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1, put the 2 below. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Put the 0, placeholder 0. 8 times 4 is 32. 6 times 8 is 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, then we're going to add. 5,312. Okay, for the long division, we have 4 goes into 6 one time without going over. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Bring down that 3. 4 goes into 23. 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract. Bring down the 4. 4 goes into 34 8 times. 4 times 8 is 32. 34 minus 32 is 2. Bring down the 5. 4 goes into 25 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. The remainder of 1. It's going to be a remainder of 1 up there. Okay? All right, today, go ahead and jump to the next page. Today we are doing 2 different conversion pages. So you will see that you have the customary units of liquid volume up here. And these might seem really familiar to you, especially if you've ever cooked with your parents or done any sort of thing in the kitchen. These are going to seem very familiar. And let's just jump and look. We also have something that's very familiar. We have units of time, so minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years, all that fun stuff. So this is a lot today, but we'll continue to review it. So this is going to take you a little bit longer than normal. So we're going to just follow the same thing that we've been doing each day as far as measurement goes. So 6 gallons equals how many quarts? So I'm going to look up here. I know that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Okay, so you're going to multiply 4 times 6, and that's how they got that 24. Same thing here. 12 quarts equals how many pints? Well, I know that 1 quart equals 2 pints. Okay, so cross multiply. 12 times 2 is 24. Okay, over here, 6 cups equals how many fluid ounces? Well, I know that 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So 6 times 8 is 48. 9 pints equals how many cups? Well, I know that 1 pint equals 2 cups. So 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, so you kind of get the gist. Go ahead and try numbers 5 through 7 on your own, and then press play when you're done. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to go over these real quick. So 5 is 40 cups, 6 is 40 pints, 7 is 48 cups. All right, so this one is asking 6 pints and 60 fluid ounces. Okay, this one is going to be a little bit more tricky because you're going to have to convert twice. So basically we want to find out how many fluid ounces is 6 pints. Okay, but as you can see, we don't have anything up here that takes us from pints to fluid ounces. We do have something that takes us from pints to cups, and then cups to fluid ounces. So hang in there as we go through this. Okay, so I know that 6 pints equals how many cups? Well, I know that 1 pint equals 2 cups. So 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 pints equals 12 cups. So now I can take those 12 cups and convert them to fluid ounces. 12 cups equals how many fluid ounces? Well, I know that 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. So 12 times 8 is 96. So 6 pints equals 96 ounces. And this is 60 ounces, so this is going to be greater. That's a lot, but that's okay. Now this number 9 is a little bit easier because you're going to get to only do one conversion. Okay, so we need to take gallons and see how many quarts. So I'm going to write this over here because I have lots of stuff. 3 gallons equals how many quarts? Well, I know that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So 3 times 4 is 12. So this is 12 quarts. So this is definitely smaller. You see how I did that? You just have to get it to where they have the same unit. So go ahead and try numbers 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, so number 10 is equal, number 11 is less than, number 12 is 24, 1 cup, servings. And number 13 is 64 fluid ounces. Okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and jump over here. We're going to do this same exact thing. 6 minutes equals how many seconds? Well, I know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 60 times 6 is 360. 5 weeks equals how many days? Well, I know that 1 week equals 7 days. So 7 times 5 is 35 days. 3 years equals how many weeks? Well, I know that 1 year equals 52 weeks. Oh no, I wrote it on the wrong line. So then you can do your math. 52 times 3, which is 156 weeks. Okay, go ahead and try number 4 and 5 on your own. Okay, numbers 4 and 5 are both 540. So 540 minutes, 540 seconds. For the comparing, 2 years is less than, greater than, or equal to 14 months. we need to get this to be months. Okay, so we need to figure out how many months are in 2 years. Okay, so we're going to do 2 years equals how many months? Well, I know that 1 year equals 12 months. So 12 times 2 is 24. So this is 24, so it is greater. Okay, 3 hours and 300 minutes. So we're going to do 3 hours. We need to see how many minutes that is. Okay, well, I know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So then we're able to do 60 times 3, and we get 180 minutes. So this is less than. Go ahead and try number 8 and number 9. Then go ahead and try number 10 and number 11. Number 8 is equal to, number 9 is greater than. On number 10, you should have had Jody practiced longer. And the way we got that is that 8 minutes equals, so we would do 8 equals how many seconds? Sorry. How many seconds? We know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 60 times 8 is 480. So Bill practiced 480 and Jody practiced 500. So Jody practiced more. Oh no, I was off the screen. Sorry about that. Yvette's younger brother just turned 3 years old. Fred's brother is now 30 months old. Whose brother is older? Okay, so we need to find out how many months 3 years are. So 3 years equals how many months? Well, I know that 1 year equals 12 months. So you're going to do 12 times 3, which is 36 months. So Yvette's brother is 36 months and Fred's brother is 30. They want to know who's older, so the answer would be Yvette's is older. Okay. All right, that's all for today. You can go ahead and go play the game on Google Classroom.